Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 4th January 2022, and today's video topic is garbage collection. So, what is the garbage collection? Advantages of garbage collection, and what is a nulling reference, anonymous object, and final method, and GC method. We'll see in these types of garbage collection in this video. So firstly, Java garbage collection is a process of reclaiming the runtime unused memory automatically. In other words, it is way to destroy the unused objects. So we are using free function in a C language and delete in C++, but in a Java it is perform automatically. So Java provides better memory management. So what is the advantages of a garbage collection? So it makes Java memory efficient because garbage collector removes the unreferenced object from heap memory, and it is automatically done by the garbage collector, part of a JVM. Collector is a part of a JVM, so we don't need to make extra effort uh, to garbage collection. So how can we object be unreferenced? By there are three there are many ways, but we'll see three ways to object unreferenced: by nulling the reference, second is by assigning a reference of to another, and third one is by anonymous object, etc. So first is by nulling a reference. How we write a nulling reference? Firstly, employee e is equal to uh, new employee, and e is equal to null. This type is a nulling reference. So by assigning a reference to another, firstly, employee e1 is equal to new employee. Second is employee e2 is equal to new employee. There are two objects we are created for assigning a reference to another. So uh, first object e1 is equal to e2. This We will write this type of assigning reference, and by anonymous object we will write a new employee. Employee is a anonymous object. So next is a method that name is a finalize method. So finalize method is invoke each time before the object is garbage collected. So this method is can be used to perform a cleaning processing in a garbage collection. This method is defined in a object class as protected while finalizer. This type of method is right in a finalize method. So what is a GC method? GC method is used to invoke the garbage collector to perform a cleanup processing. The GC is found in a system and a runtime. GC is found in a system as runtime classes. So next is how to request JVM for garbage collection. We'll see how to request. We'll see JVM can request to garbage collector to get element in garbage collector. So we now with the unreachable and unusable objects are available for garbage collection, but the garbage collection process doesn't happen instantly, which means once the object is ready for garbage collection, they must know they must have to wait for JVM to run the memory cleanup program that perform a garbage collection. However, we can request the JVM for garbage collection by calling system.gc is the object to calling a garbage collection. Uh, Sorry, this is a method to calling a garbage collection. So the all about of the garbage collection we'll see. Thank you.